For most of you guys, you struggle where you guys find the pillar, the transmission pillar plug. If you guys will remove the battery, I already removed it so that I can easily show it to you. It's right there. That's the plug. That's the pillar plug for your transmissions. You can remove this as well if you guys use the extension bar and you know, the adapter that you guys need, the swivel socket. You are able to remove this. But if you guys struggle to remove it, I highly suggest you guys remove the battery. So I'm removing this so that I can show you where's the pillar plug. That is the pillar plug for the transmissions. Now I'm going to change my transmission fluid as well. I'm going to drain my transmission fluid. I'm going to replace it with Castrol polysynthetic universal transmission fluid. Well, as you see, I'm using the extension bar. So this is the extension bar 3/8. So you don't need to get the socket. This extension bar, it will fit to that rectangular shape, and you are able to turn it clockwise while using your 3/8 ratchet. So if you guys are able to see, this pillar plug, so we're gonna remove it. I already removed the battery just to show you guys how will I do, but I don't basically remove it. I do this only for showing you guys the actual pillar plug, because the first installment of Kia Sedona transmission fluid change, I didn't remove the battery, but this one I removed it, and this is the pillar plug. So I'm gonna use this extension bar, a 3/8 extension bar, a 3/8 ratchet, and I'm going to remove this pillar plug. And that's a transmission pillar plug. So after you remove that, you are able to put your transmission fluid to this pillar plug. And all you need to do, you need to go underneath and remove the transmission plug, and you need to drain the transmission fluid, and you can fill up your transmissions. But this one, I already know the amount of transmission fluid that I use, because this is my second second time that I changed my transmission fluid. I changed my transmission fluid when my vehicle reached the almost the 30,000 miles. I replaced it with the Valvoline polysynthetic. Now I'm going to use the Castrol polysynthetic fluid. I'm going to show you guys. The Kia Sedona, you are able to use also a transmission fluid made by Valvoline. I have two types of transmission fluid that I basically use. You can use these ones, the Max Life polysynthetic. This can work to Kia Sedona 2015 up to 2023. And if you look at the back, you can see the SPO4. That SPO4, and that's the vehicle that will compatible to your Kia Sedona. And as you see, Hyundai Kia SPO2, SPO3, SPO4, and my vehicle will compatible to SPO4. That's why I used the Valvoline before. Now I'm gonna use this one, the Castrol Transmax polysynthetic transmission fluid, and this is made by Castrol automatic transmission fluid. This is a universal transmission fluid. I use this also to my Mitsubishi Outlander 2018 for CVT, and this is an ATF also. As you see, you can use this virtually for all automatic and CVT transmissions, including GM, Ford, Toyota, Honda, yagiri it up. And this is a polysynthetic. And if you look at the back, you can see also the SPO4. Look at it on this one. You see the Mazda, Mitsubishi, Daikin ATF, SPO3, CBT, J1, J4. The fluid J4 is compatible for my Mitsubishi Outlander 2018, and this is what I use. And this is also comparable to SPO4. If you see this label, Mazda, Mitsubishi, SPO4, yagiri it up. And this will work to Kia, Hyundai Kia SPO4. As you see, SPO4. And this is also will work for Kia Sedona. And this is a transmission fluid that I'm going to use right now. I will not use the Valvoline transmission. Well, as you see, guys, I using my hyper tap. This one. I use this pump to extract the transmission fluid. I already get a 4 and 3/8 quarts of transmission fluid, and I'm trying to pour it as you see. I don't know if you guys are able to see it. This is the way that I'm doing it right now. If you guys see the way that I'm doing before, this is a different way of transferring the fluid. I'm using this pump. I carefully pump this fluid slowly so that it will not spill. You see, it transfers slowly, because if you pump this fast, it will spill to the pillar plug. What I'm doing right now, I pump it slowly so that it's not gonna spill. You just pump it slowly. I'm transferring the fluid right now. This is another way of transferring the transmission fluid to this pillar plug. And there's another way that you guys can do using the long panel. So far, this is the second option that I choose. And just trying to show you guys how you guys will do in another options of pouring the fluid to the pillar plug. As you see, so it flows coming from the 6-quart hyper tap measuring and dispensing jug. I pour it to the nozzle and I insert it. Right now, as you see, it is slowly pouring and transferring the fluid. I'm not pouring pores while I'm pumping this. I just let it flow slowly, because if you keep pumping this, it will overflow and it will drip. As much as possible, I'm avoiding to spill this transmission fluid. Pour it slowly. Don't put too much effort. I don't know if you guys are able to see. I'm pumping right now. I open the overfilled plug so that I'm able to pump this pass. Because if you will not open the overfilled plug, make sure that you will put a drain pan underneath, because I'm putting almost 4 3/8 quarts of transmission fluid. Now I'm pouring right now. I'm dispensing it using this pump. I'm using the pump, the Hypertop suction pump. I'm able to fill it easily without any problem. I'll pump it freely as much as I want. Just put the exact amount as you get from the transmission, and if you are not quite familiar how many quarts that you guys need, I suggest you guys, you need to turn on your vehicle after you drain your transmission fluid. Make sure that you will check the overfilled plug and pour the transmission to the transmission pillar plug. So that's what I did. I already dispensing the transmission fluid, and I'm almost done. As you see, I keep dispensing, and that's the only that's the remaining fluid that I have to my Hypertop. This is a 6 quarts, but I put 4 3/8 quarts of oil, transmission fluid oil, and I'm almost done. I'm almost done dispensing this transmission fluid. I know the exact amount because this is my 3rd time that I changed my fluid. Second time rather. After the transmissions, after my transmission reached the 30,000 miles, I decided to change transmission fluid using the Valvoline. You can see it to my YouTube channel. And this is my 2nd time that I drain my transmission fluid. Drain and fill. See, almost. I still have remaining fluid to my dispensing. I'm pointing you out to you guys that I already opened the overfilled plug. That's the overfilled plug underneath. I already removed the plug. Now this is the remaining transmission fluid that I need to pour it to my transmission. Now it bubbles. As you see. So you see it's some mess. You need to clean that up using the brake fluid cleaner. Well, this is the exact amount of transmission fluid that I need to put on my vehicle. It's 4 3/8 quarts, which I already measured this. Because the first time that I changed my transmission fluid, I didn't follow the recommended fluid. I drain it, the fluid, and I open the overfilled plug, and I start up my engine, and I ship it to park, neutral, and then reverse, and then ship it to first and second gear for 5 seconds, and then after that After you ship it, you need to open the overfilled plug. Make sure that you see a small stream of fluid that coming out. Once you see, it means to say that you have enough fluid, but if you don't see anything, it means to say that you don't put enough fluid. So you need to add up, you need to top up the exact amount. I already know because this is my second time that I changed my fluid. That's what I said a while ago. So I'm almost done. I'm still have some transmission fluid left. This jug. That's the remaining. I heard the streaming of fluid to the overfilled plug, and that's the good sign. I already put the exact amount of fluid. As you see, my jug is already empty. I put 4 3/8 quarts. I already put all the fluid. Now all I need to do is just clean up all the mess, and I'm set to go. So I hope you guys keep watching my YouTube channel. Until next time, guys. Hope you guys see this. I don't know if you guys are able to see it. Okay, I'm done. So all I need to do, just put the pillar plug, and I'm set to go. I hope you guys keep watching my YouTube channel. Till next time, may you guys have a wonderful day today. May God bless you all. Thanks for watching. I use this one, the pump. This is how you guys change your transmission fluid. Bye for now. God bless.